So what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to do a video for Gamestop. Currently, you can tell that we had this price prediction on our chart since June the 27th, 2025, looking for the market in Gamestop to go lower, and it did that. You guys can even tell that we had an area of buying established right there around $22, and the market in Gamestop actually came there maybe twice before price actually ran up right here. And then it did it again on September the 2nd. Okay, so hopefully you was able to grab something out the market in GameStop there, because the market definitely is getting us more emphasis of moving away from that buy pocket and going up in price. Okay, so let's go ahead and get rid of this prediction here first, and we will get rid of the sell pockets here into the market in GameStop. There is one right here currently that buyers are trying to eliminate into the market in GameStop. If they do that, we might need to target this $28.50 area as a target now. Let's go ahead and look at this on the monthly chart for GameStop. Okay, so this market really haven't been doing too much in the sense of price movement. It's just pretty much been trading within a range over the last couple of months. Look at this on the 5-hour chart, 5-weekly chart. This is actually pretty big for us to not really see another substantial move down following this 5-weekly price bar in GameStop. Instead, the next 15 weeks, the market has just merely traded at support around 22 bucks. That's huge, which kind of lets us know that we may see a bigger move to the upside, considering that this market didn't react to this massive weakness bar on this 5-weekly time frame. Here, this on the 3 weeks. You can see a little bit better here on the 3 weeks of how the market buyers really supported price in GameStop right there. Take a look at this on the 2. And this 2-weekly price bar is very bullish right here. Okay. And let's look at this on the weekly. So yeah, you can tell that someone was really trying to sell on last week because the market closed off of the highs. Volume also was heavy. So we definitely need to see the follow through of buyers this week. We might see an initial move to the downside, considering that we are hitting this sell pocket as well too. But the market doesn't look, to me, it doesn't look to the point to where we're looking for this market to break down. Not right now. That's the 5. Here it is on the 4. Here's GameStop on the 3 and the 2 and the 1. So we're going to go ahead and try to create a couple of pockets of buying. Okay, so we're going to create a pocket right here for GameStop. We're going to go ahead and get rid of this sell pocket right here. And it looked like the sellers is up there around like 26 bucks. $26.75. Let's create another pocket. Okay, so I definitely need those 2 pockets to hold in order for us to really see the price in GameStop to go up. Let's go ahead and create one more. So you can see right here is where that sell pocket currently is in the market in GameStop. If we're able to see the buyers break this pocket of selling, then we'll have to definitely target the next higher end area, which is up there around $28. So I think we're going to do that. Okay. So let's bring this back down to the daily. go ahead and move this up a little bit. And we're gonna look for the market to come all the way up here to like $28, 29 bucks. I think that's it. Now, was that complicated? Did I explain it in a very simple way to understand? Hopefully I did, because generally we just simply look for the footprints of the market participants and what they think price is going to do. And when they actually come in and implement their strategy, they leave us footprints or fingerprints or breadcrumbs, whatever the case may be. But we're able to evaluate these things and figure out, how is the market tipped? Is it tipped in favor of the buyers or the sellers? And currently, from everything that we've seen thus far in GameStop, it does look as if this market is trying to be tipped in favor of the buyers, which is why we're going to go ahead and drop this prediction, looking for GameStop to go up. All right, that's it. Let me know your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.